Hello and a very warm welcome from Motor Match Crewe. My name is Greg and today I'd like to show you this stunning and large Mercedes-Benz GLE SUV, available here in the GLE400d trim with a 2.9 litre diesel automatic engine and finish here in AMG Line Premium Plus trim. In the front you'll find high-performance LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side 20-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels will also stand out, whilst in the rear signature-shaped LED taillights will offer your Mercedes a distinctive look. This model features fixed side steps and even the convenience of a panoramic sunroof, whilst easy access can be guaranteed thanks to the power-operated liftgate as well as keyless entry and start. This model is a 7-seater variant with the third row seats folded down, and you can see here easy single control buttons will allow you to fold up or fold down the seats without the need to clamber in the middle row seats. The whole process is incredibly seamless and can really assist you when your hands are full of shopping. This is a great car to certainly get the Christmas tree up as well. Passengers in the rear won't be complaining either, as the full leather upholstery offers seating for 3 with a centre armrest, as well as 2 ISOFIX shut anchor points and 2-zone climate control for the rear. Whilst in the front, decorative door and dash inserts will grace the cabin with multicolour ambient lighting and front sport seats that will really hug you in and offer electric support and functionality. The driver will certainly make use of the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel operating the digital dashboard up ahead, whilst there's also an upgraded premium sound system and the convenience of heated front seats. In the centre, the MBUX infotainment system will also feature Bluetooth connectivity for your device, as well as built-in sat-nav to ensure you never get lost. Other great features will incorporate FM and DAB digital radio reception with easy-to-pair media source inputs as well. Multicolour ambient lighting I mentioned earlier will also stand out and can certainly put a smile on your face, whilst numerous vehicle Mercedes apps are also on offer with the likes of smartphone connectivity and Apple CarPlay. Various other vehicle system settings are on offer with a host of active safety systems to protect journey occupants at all times. Loads to enjoy and loads to choose from as well. Whilst helping you park, there is a full area view parking camera on offer, complemented here by wide-angle lens in the rear, and it also offers visibility all around the vehicle to make sure you never scratch your lovely bumpers. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system is also available in the front, bringing up the total to 4-zone with various shortcuts available down below and even a wireless induction charger for your device near the cup holders. Overhead there's an auto-dimming rearview mirror and easy controls to retract the electric sunshade blind. This has been a presentation of the Mercedes-Benz GLE400d AMG Line Premium Plus that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this lovely machine, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.